there, welcome to burger. What? Fries, milkshake, side salad. Okay, what kind of burger would you like? Number 4. Perfect, and you also wanted fries and a milkshake. Yeah, here. Oh, okay, well, just to make sure I didn't miss anything, you got a burger, fries, milkshake, and side salad? Darling, I'm kinda in a hurry. Why am I doing your job? Just trying to avoid future hostility. That'll be $17.45. A burger does not cost $17. What is this? Correct, but you also got fries, milkshake, and a side salad, so that's $17.45. Muckshake? I didn't order all that. Oh, well then it must have been someone that looks just like you. I can take everything else off. No, I want the fries and milkshake, but I want it with the burger. So when you add all those things together, it's $17.45. Oh, you lost my business. I'm never coming back. Okay, have a good day. You're gonna let me walk out? Next in line?